The 2015 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, power windows, power steering, dual zone AC, power driver seat, air conditioning, CD player, radio data system. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.